life would be. Now, this drink helps lowers cholesterol. So if you have an issue with high cholesterol, this may be the drink for you. And it only consists of 4 ingredients that you most likely already have in your fridge. And so let's get started. So you will need about a cup or a handful of kale or spinach. I chose spinach. You're going to need 1 avocado, a cup of water, and about a cup of broccoli, frozen or fresh. And so actually, I have honey as well for taste. Sometimes it's just a little bitter, but if you want to use the honey, you can. If not, that's fine. So let's get started with the recipe and try to get this cholesterol down. First, we're going to put a cup of water in. Then we have about a cup of the broccoli. We'll get that in there. So let's do the avocado. Now, broccoli is good for diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, cancer. Let's get the avocado in there, which is good for your skin and your hair. Now, let's get the spinach in there. That helps with inflammation and infection. And about a squirt of honey. I think I'll go ahead and get that in there as well. We got the kale, which lowers the cholesterol on its own. So let's blend it up. Look at that pretty green color. Let's give it a try. Look at that. So let's give it a taste. Not bad at all. So if you have this, let's just say once a week, and I'm sure it will help you in the fight of lowering your cholesterol. Thanks for watching.